Today, the governor also announced important changes to the state's COVID vaccination program. Some people will be getting it sooner than they thought.
Yeah, but Governor Polis's announcement left a lot of questions still unanswered, including when and how people can get that vaccination. Phase 1B will now include people ages 70 and older. Essential workers like grocery store workers and teachers have been moved up on that list. Healthcare workers not on the front lines of COVID, people in dental offices, and first responders were already part of this phase. First responders in Denver started getting vaccinated yesterday. The Denver Fire Department passed along pictures of this clinic taking place. Now, the biggest question from people who are eligible is where and when can they get that vaccine? Well, it turns out that's still being worked out. Karen Morfitt is in Westminster for us tonight. And Karen, for many public health agencies, hospitals, primary care physicians, this was news to them today.
Yeah, Karen, they say they still have work to do in phase 1A. So the governor's announcement today that Colorado would be moving into phase 1B was news to them. And they say that now that it includes thousands more people, it's going to be much more difficult to get done. Many have been turning away Coloradans trying to make appointments already.
Calls are rolling in to primary care offices across Colorado.
As soon as we know, we'll let you guys know.
From thousands of Coloradans, the governor now says are eligible for the COVID vaccine.
Any Colorado 70 and up can now legally receive the vaccine.
Susie Bolig is 70 and a teacher. She can get her dose now, but has no idea where to go.
It was like, yippee, tell me where to go today and I'll be there.
The direction from the state was to check with your doctor.
We have had numerous calls, more today.
Dr. Greg Hirons, the medical director for Rocky Mountain Primary Care, says it's a question they don't have answers for.
We do not know at this point. We are waiting for more information from CDPHE, and I'm sure they're trying to obviously do their best as quick as they can.
They registered to be a vaccine provider in the fall, but so did a number of others, and who is approved hasn't been made clear.
But there were over 1,000 surveys filled out, so there were a lot of offices. I just don't know how they're going to make the decision. Obviously, it depends on supply.
For those who have been anxiously waiting for their shot at a vaccine, they say the excitement is there. Now, they just need the guidance to go with it.
Give me the information for my life I can use, and please give me the shot.
Now, CDPHE says they are working with local public health departments to identify additional providers, likely some of these primary care offices that have been registered to get the vaccine to the rest of the 1A group and to start on the 1B group. But public health agencies are speaking out today saying this is the first they've heard of these changes. Karen?
So when can we expect more information on those vaccinations for the older Coloradans, Karen?
Well, Karen, we asked the state that question, and they say they expect to be done with the 1A group by January 15th, and that's when they'll know or have more information for those 70 and older on where they can go to get their vaccines, as well as those essential workers. But they're saying that once they have more information finalized, they're going to actually publish new distribution centers on the state's website, and we'll have that information online at cbsdenver.com, as well as a phone number on who you can call with questions. In Westminster tonight, Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
All right, Karen, thank you.